I'll give you guys a quick tour around the boat quickly, but I'll show you guys this first because the coconut trees and palm trees look so beautiful. Go this way.
There's a village.
Was this the village here? This looks beautiful.
This civilization is dependent on the backwaters.
Oh, so they just depend. That's how they eat, survive.
Yeah.
Just the fishing though.
Yes, fish.
Okay. They don't go to the shops.
They do. I think that they should have some shops for
Okay.
them to make living. If you look behind, it's all water.
Water, yeah.
And their houses are in between.
Say hello to
Hey.
them. Hey, man. Say welcome to India.
Welcome to India.
India. Beautiful India. Okay, oh, did she duck down? What did she say?
She said,
Okay. She like tried to hide. Hi. Hey. They excited to see a foreigner? Okay.
I told you.
Okay, yeah. Most people here are relaxed, though. They don't ask me for a lot of photos. In like, where was I? Amritsar, that was probably an Agra. In the Taj Mahal, I took like 30 photos.
Okay.
Guys, I am here. I got onto the houseboat. Say hello again.
Hey.
Hello, yes. I'm on a houseboat, so basically, yeah. Beetroot? Beetroot tree. Coconut beetroot. So we go coconut trees, guys. Look behind me. Wah. Crazy. But yeah, guys, I didn't manage to vlog before I got on the boat to show you lot the boat. But either way, I hope everybody's doing good today. We are in Kerala, Alleppey, Backwaters, and yeah, we're going for a cruise. The cruise lasts for a day, but my friend here, he's leaving at like 5 o'clock. So yeah, he's keeping me lots of company, teaching me about India, teaching me the history of India, what goes on in India politically, and just like the culture of India, the language, the food, and how the people treat you, which is really nice. And yeah, I really find that interesting, and you guys should find it interesting too. Yeah, so this duration of the boat lasts, I'm leaving, my checkout time's at 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. So yeah, get food in here. You get snacks in here, you get drinks in here. So it's pretty relaxed. Really enjoying it so far. And you get to go to you get to see some local villages. Look at the rice farm.
Can we take a walk?
We can take a walk.
We'll stop.
Okay, nice. So we get to stop off at rice farms, rice plantations, tea plantations, and see some local communities. So it's pretty entertaining. But what I'll do, you lot, is I'll show you lot the boat in a bit. It's okay, not the best, but it's better than nothing. It's still good. But yeah, it's really beautiful over here. Kerala's 100% easily my favorite state in the whole of India that I've been to so far. Everybody's just relaxed over here, more chilled. I wouldn't say more friendly, but because every state in India is friendly, but people here more relaxed, more chilled, and it's just more peaceful. And I like nature anyway, so if you like nature, Kerala is definitely the best place to be in India. But I'll wrap up now and keep things smooth.
There is supposed to be the rice field, the water.
The water's blocked there. Oh wow.
The boats.
Let me show you the yardie. Oh, nearly fell over. Let me show you the yardie. We got the boat. Hey again.
I keep saying hi all the time.
All the time. Are we stopping over here?
I think so.
Okay, nice. Let me show. And then, guys, you have a sink. You have my ugly self. Then you have the room, which I'm going to be staying in. Then you have the window. It's okay, I guess. It will do. But we're putting over now, so should be interesting. And then this is the kitchen where they're making the food. And yeah, that's about it. That's about it. It's another room. This is where I'm staying tonight, so not bad at all. Ouch. Putting it. Food has just pulled up. So we got fish, sambar, papadam, veggies, which I don't know what is, and white rice. So we're gonna munch. And these guys have just pulled up. Incredible. Ready to eat?
Yay! Ready, let's go.
Let's eat. Is that a swan? It can't be a swan.
It's not a swan. I think it's a crane or something.
Okay.
Or a flamingo. It's not a flamingo. It's a crane.
Oh, loads of boats are here. Oh wow.
It's a huge boat.
Very big boat. Yeah, you can see all the crops have been destroyed over here. Yeah, these are all like rice plantations where the monsoon has destroyed them all, guys, which is very sad because now it leaves the locals with not necessarily no food, but it's hard for them to,
Yeah,
you know, survive.
It's a financial loss.
It's financial loss for them, which is really sad. It's really heartbreaking. How long do you reckon it will take for the water to dry up?
Even if the water dries up,
It's still
the crop
financial
is
loss,
gone.
right? It's gone. That's so sad.
They probably will have to find another
Alternative. But does that happen every year then, with the monsoon or?
Not necessarily, but sometimes, yeah. I mean, again, this place is full of water, so there's every possibility that it will happen. Again, if these walls are damaged, then maybe yes.
Yes. So sad, man.
So हर साल ऐसे ही फ्लड आता है क्या? हर साल या पूरा हो गया। अभी इसको कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
Lots of people come here though.
Yeah, it's a tourist destination.
Yeah.
This couple is taken a room or something.
Okay. He's going a bit faster now, right? Is it me or is he going fast?
This is almost like a float.
Look at these beautiful houses, guys. Don't see this on TV. It's what they don't show you on TV about India, bro. Well, guys, beautiful palm trees, coconut trees, beautiful houses, beautiful people, beautiful nature, and beautiful scenery. Okay, I made it to like an Indian village. Pretty chilled, pretty relaxed. The boat stopped, and here we are in an Indian village. Hello. She's looking at me like, what is this guy doing here? But like, there's nice roads down here. Let me show you like what it's saying. Isn't it? This is the thing. If I just show myself, then you guys won't get like a full witness of the nature here. To be honest, I paid for the boat, but I shouldn't have paid for the boat. But to be fair, I leave tomorrow anyway, so it probably makes sense that I did pay for it. But I'll show you like the communities here. We'll walk down and show you a few bits and bobs. Cool. As we walk, these are like some people's houses. Hello. You okay? Hey, hey. Got some fat yards here. Just on the backwater. There's people down here. But I feel like I'm walking way far away from my boat. So maybe that's a bad idea. Hello. Hey. Look at that goat. So we'll walk down. You guys can like see my shadow. So we'll walk down there. Walk up a bit. And probably that's like a rice field, I'm guessing, on that side. But a lot of the rice fields, guys, have been damaged due to the monsoon rains. Like, look. So it's left people with kind of nothing, which is pretty sad, because this is how most Keralites on the backwaters survive, with their rice plantations, and the monsoon has just destroyed all their crops and homes. So it's really sad that that's happened. Hello. Hey. Hi. Hi. I think people here are pretty antisocial. Well, not antisocial, but she's probably just shy. Probably just shy. No offense taken. You know, some people are never gonna say hello, some people do. I guess man at work, cutting down some trees. I'm gonna walk back in a minute though. I think these guys, hopefully they don't drive off without my stuff. I should have at least, but I got my passport and my wallet. So that's all that matters, like, really. Got some cows in there. Yeah, that's all that matters, my wallet and my passport. Yo! That's a mango tree, I think. Not too sure. South of India is beautiful though, guys, but I'm gonna turn back around. Long ass day. Hello. Hey, you okay? Hey. I always end up laughing when I speak to people here. Hello. You okay? Hey. I think some people here don't speak English, guys, so I think they just look at me like, what on earth is this guy doing here? Especially when you got the camera in your hand. You do look a bit crazy. But let me go back down, right? Because I'm probably gonna get in trouble. These lot have seen a black man and they turned right back around. But they you see them, they ran back around. Red coconut trees, green coconut trees. Got it. Back to give you what you need. We here. Hello. And yes, we are rolling. So yeah, we are here. We are in the bizzle. And this is the part where my crepes are gonna get destroyed. But I'm with the boat guy as well, but like nobody's invited me into their house yet. Not yet, guys. Nobody's invited me to their house yet. Are they gonna invite me? No, they're not. I don't think so. Hello. Hey. I need to stop laughing, right? Oh, she's got a parrot. She got a parrot in it. Okay, let me not video them. They're all like inside the house. She's got a parrot. She's got a parrot in a cage. Boss man just left me, you know. Boss man just left my ass. He left me to. Okay. Like here, I definitely feel safe to like hold my phone, whereas in Delhi, I would never do this. Oh my goodness, you are crazy. Like if I was in Delhi and I'm holding my phone like this, it's getting snatched out of my hand for sure. Whereas over here, like, and a lot of other states in India, I feel comfortable to just hold my phone. Yeah, a lot of the other states in Delhi, I feel comfortable to hold my phone. I think she's brushing her teeth. She's brushing her teeth. They're moving a rock. There's so much, like, people here work so hard to a point, it's like, it makes me feel like I'm not pulling my weight enough. I think that's for them to cut and burn. I think that's for them to cut and burn. But what I like about down here, everybody seems just mad chill, relaxed, laid back. Obviously hard workers, but laid back, kind of like not in your face all the time, telling you to jump in a rickshaw 24/7. That's the Delhi experience, guys. That is the Delhi experience. Get in my rickshaw, get in my rickshaw, get in my rickshaw. And they don't leave you alone. If you don't know how to say no, you're not surviving out here. I think they're doing their washing. Hello. Hi. So my last meal in Kerala. Last meal in Kerala. We got chapati. Oh, sorry, my portable charger's like that. Then you got pepper chicken. Not sure what that is. White rice. Not sure what that is. I'm sure my Indian people can let me know. And there we go. That's it. Let's dig in. Catch me in a rice plantation, guys. How cool is this? But like I said to you guys the other day, the monsoon has destroyed all the crops, as you can see. It's kind of sad because this is how like most people survive in Kerala, Alleppey. So got a guy here brushing his teeth, villager brushing his teeth. I think he's thinking like, what am I doing here? Yeah, you know, it's early in the morning. We are on the move. And we have egg, mopo, I think. That's what I was told. Pineapple, toast. No idea what this is. Please tell me, my Indian friends. I don't know. I should have asked him. And that's mopo, apparently. So, yeah.